In this video, I will show you how you can buy dividend stocks on Fidelity. So first, obviously, you will need to have a Fidelity account. So if you don't have one yet, just go and create one. And step 2 is to also fund your account. Now, once you've done that, you can get to researching dividend stocks. So first, you want to find a stock or maybe an ETF with dividend stocks that you would like to invest in. Now, some key metrics you could look at are dividend yield, the payout ratio, and the dividend growth streak. Now, none of this is financial advice. You want to do your own research and see what you want to invest in. After that, you can get to placing your trade. So log into your Fidelity account and go to Accounts and Trade and click Trade. Then enter the stock symbol for the stock you want to buy. For example, for Apple, it's AAPL. Just enter the stock symbol. Then select Buy and choose the order type. So you can do market order, which will buy immediately at the current price if the market is open, or limit order, where you set a max price you are willing to pay. Then enter the number of shares or dollar amount and review and confirm the trade. And then the final step, which is optional, is to monitor and reinvest dividends. So you can enable DRIP, which is a dividend reinvestment plan to automatically reinvest dividends into more shares. If you would like to do that, go to Account Features and then Dividends and Capital Gains and enable DRIP. Then you can track your dividends as well under Activity and Orders and then Dividends. So now you know how to buy dividend stocks on Fidelity. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.